Hey, so, if your Google Easter eggs aren't working, yeah, that can be pretty annoying. Sometimes they just don't load or nothing happens at all. But good news, there are a few simple fixes you can try right now. First, make sure you're using the exact search keyword. Google Easter eggs only work with specific phrases. For example, try searching "do a barrel roll" or "askew," and yeah, make sure spelling is correct now. This is important. You need to use the actual Google search page. Some Easter eggs won't work on embedded search bars or third-party sites. If nothing happens, your browser might have JavaScript turned off. Most Easter eggs rely on it. So go into Settings, find Site Settings or Privacy, and make sure JavaScript is enabled. Another common issue, browser extensions. Ad blockers or script blockers can stop these effects. Try disabling them temporarily, then refresh the page and test again. If it's still not working, switch browsers. Some Easter eggs work better on certain browsers. You can try Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for better compatibility. And finally, clear your browser cache. Old data can sometimes block new scripts from loading. After that, reload Google and try the Easter egg again. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Easter eggs not working. Most of the time, it's just a small setting or browser issue. Try these steps, and you should be good to go. Hey,